Hello, what's up? Welcome back to our corner, and this is Ali. And on this video, we'll show you how we can use the latest version of PPPwn GO to load Goldhen or VTX-hen on our PS4 using the PPPwn exploit. This is important for those who are still having issues activating their jailbreak and are looking for other tools that may work better for their PS4. And later on this video, we will also show you how we can play an online game even with the PPPwn exploit. Let us start with downloading the application. On our description, you will find the link for the latest version of the PPPwn GO. You can also check some information here. And to download, simply click on this part. You will get this message, but you don't have to worry, this application is completely safe. So just go ahead and keep dangerous file and keep anyway. After downloading, let us go ahead and extract the file in its folder. Then we can go ahead and delete this. Open the folder, and inside the Goldhen folder, you will find all of the versions that you can use to load Goldhen or VTX-hen. Keep in mind that the Goldhen only supports these versions. And all of the other versions, you can go ahead and use VTX-hen. You can check this for their differences in features. Now choose the version of your PS4, pick the latest Goldhen, and drag and drop this on the root of your USB or external hard drive formatted with either exFAT or FAT32. If you are on a version unsupported by Goldhen, you can go ahead and choose VTX-hen. Just go ahead and drag and drop the payload on the root of your USB or external hard drive. Now let us go ahead and set up our PS4. For the complete tutorial as well as the fixes and workarounds, you may go ahead and check the links of videos on our description. Now let us go back to the PPPwn GO and run the application. Click on this part to adjust some settings. Here on the drop-down menu, make sure you select your firmware. Then here, you can choose either the stable version or the version that can work on all PS4 models. This version uses the best script to run the exploit smoothly, but there are some PS4 models that are not compatible with this version. In those cases, you can go ahead and switch to this version. This will definitely work on all PS4 models, and when I mean all, it means all PS4 models. If you are already using this and still having some issues activating the exploit, then try changing your LAN cable. You may also check our description on how to fix errors when activating the PPPwn. We also have some fixes for those who can't activate a Goldhen or any payload. Simply check our description for the links. Now going back on our application, you may go ahead and try this first. If you can't activate your jailbreak using this, then change to this version. Click on this port if you need to bridge your connection. And here, if you need to install the npcap for some instruction. And sometimes, installing an older version of npcap may help fix some issues when activating the exploit. Now after everything is all set, we can go back to the PS4. Just make sure that the USB containing our payloads or the Goldhen is properly inserted on our PS4. Now let us go ahead and click Go. In case the application won't proceed on this part, simply turn off your Windows Defender or your firewall first. Sometimes it disrupts the connection of our PS4 to the application. And once it initializes, if it fails, it will automatically restore. Keep in mind that using a good quality LAN cable definitely helps with the application, even with the speed of the activation. and that you don't need to go to the test internet connection. But if you have done everything and the application won't start, going to the test internet connection sometimes help push the application. And if your PS4 keeps on restarting right before the activation of the jailbreak, you may go ahead and change your USB or the external hard drive containing the payloads or the Goldhen. Once you see this message, means the exploit is successful jailbreaking your PS4. You should also see this message as an indication that the payload was saved in your PS4. After this, you no longer need the USB to activate or load the Goldhen or the VTX hen when jailbreaking the PS4. From here, you may go ahead and do your jailbreak stuff, but let me go ahead and show you how to play an online game even with the PPPwn exploit. For this, we have to connect our PS4 to the internet. And keep in mind that every time we go to the internet, make sure we do all the necessary precautions to prevent the PS4 from updating. We have a video on our description on how to go online safely on a jailbroken PS4. Now let us go ahead and go to the internet connection. Go to network, set up internet connection. Make sure your PS4 is directly connected to your router. Use your local connection. Use custom. Once you are properly connected to the internet, run the PSLan. For a complete guide how to use the PSLan, you can also find that on our description. Once you are successfully logged into the server, you will get this message. Then you can go ahead and run any games that are supported on this server. Once you see this message, you are free to join any available games in the server. For the Black Ops 3, just go to the Find Games and join any existing game. Now all you have to do is just wait for the game to start and enjoy an online game on your jailbroken PS4. So this will be it for now. If you have any questions or suggestions, please go ahead and share them on our comment section and I will gladly address them. And again, my name is Ali. If you find this video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe. And I will definitely see you on our next video. Bye-bye.